Shenzhen Capel Technology Company Limited, established in May 2012, specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of multi-layer flexible boards, rigid flex boards more than 15 years. Its two subsidiary companies that Shenzhen Zhonglian Shan Technology Company Limited specialize in printed circuit boards PCBs since 2017. And Shenzhen Castle Electronic Technology Company Limited specialize in SMT assembly since 2009. We have as a segment of 20,000 customers from more than 250 countries assure professional technology and high-precision printed circuit boards involving medical, automotive, communications networks, car, aerospace, industrial control, artificial intelligence, smart wearable asset. We currently have around 1,000 employees, with over 100 of them being engineers and researchers, and over 80 of them having over 50 years of experience in this industry. With 25,000 square meters of production of HV and more than 50 cc phase fuel, our PCB production capacity can exceed 1,000 square meter per month, and assembly capacity at 150 million components per month. Our operation is ISO 14001, 2015, ISO 9001, 2015, IATF 16949, 2016 certified, and our products are UL Andros marked.